What says Christmas more than a feather duster? We're gonna find out.
I bought everything at the Dollar Tree. I do have some wire in case I need it, but I'm sure you can get that there too. I'm gonna start with the feather dusters, which by the way, seem like a pretty great deal for $1.25. And I'm gonna just twist the handles off just like that. And look, here we go. That's it. 1, 2, and 3. Now, if you haven't figured it out yet, we're making a wreath, and these bend. So you can bend them to just the right angle or arc that you're gonna need. And I'm just sticking them right under these little parts. So there's 1, 2. And if you really wanted it to be super full, you could always do another set of these on the back side too. There we go. Here's the third one. Slip it right in. And we have like the simplest wreath ever. Now this one wants to flop down just a little bit, so I'm gonna take a little bit of wire. I'm gonna run it through and just wire it on. Give them a little fluff. They're all on there nice and stable. I've wired all 3 on there. You can't see it from the front at all. And if you did want this to be a little bit fuller, you could do the back side too. Okay, I'm gonna decide which is the top. Very pretty double-sided ornament. Then I'll just wire that right on too. Now it's time for the little bottle brush trees. The nice thing I found out on accident is they just want to stick to this no matter what. So you don't even have to wire them on. You just need to figure out your placements. And I just stick them in. If they're not in the right place, just move them. And I have the easiest Christmas wreath ever. And it's lightweight. Let's go put it on the door. I have a suction cup hook.
Thanks so much for being here, and remember, life's too short not to shimmer, so grab your glue gun and your glitter. Stay safe.